Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video we are going to smoke a brisket flat. Now, some people get really hardcore when it comes to smoking meats, in terms of what they think is the one true way when it comes to technique, temperature, etc. Now, I don't get real hung up on that. I understand there's lots of different ways to smoke a brisket. This is just one way, and it's really pretty low maintenance. Now, I fully expect that someone is going to ask in the comments, can I do this in an oven? The answer is yes, you can slow cook a brisket in the oven at 250 degrees. It's not going to be smoky. If any of you have done some sort of smoking in an oven and have a tip or technique that you can share, please do so down in the comments. But we're going to use a smoker. So let's get to making it. We have here a brisket flat that's just a couple ounces shy of 8 pounds. And to this, we're going to apply some of my keto-friendly barbecue rub, which I'll link to right here. Get this well coated on both sides. We gotta make sure we get these edges here too. To do that, I just kind of pat down on all the stuff that's fallen off. And get our ends. That's looking pretty good. Off to the smoker we go. Late March in Wisconsin. Gotta love it. So one of the things that you're gonna want to do with your brisket, because you want to cut it against the grain, what I do is I will notch out one of the corners before I smoke it. That way I know which way the grain is going. So this would be against the grain right here. You want to smoke a brisket between 225 and 250. I'm setting it at 240, just kind of feels like I'm splitting the difference. Now, some people debate whether you should do the fat cap up or down. I always go up. I figure the more moistness and fat that kind of drips down through my meat, the better. In terms of wood, I'm going with mesquite. Now I'm going to let this go for a couple of hours before I even bother putting a probe thermometer in. A common occurrence when cooking a brisket is the stall. This is a point where the temperature just quits going up and can usually happen anywhere between 150 and 180 degrees. If you find that your brisket is stalling, the way around this is to wrap it in foil and then return it to the smoker. Most people consider 205 degrees Fahrenheit to be the ideal temperature to cook a brisket to. I typically take the brisket out of the smoker somewhere between 195 and 200, wrap it in a towel and put it in a cooler and let the carryover cooking bring it up to 205. Right now we are at 198, which is good enough for me. Oh, so good. Then we're going to let it sit for about a half an hour and we'll carve it up. And let's carve this up. Taste test without any sauce. Okay, first off, this is so tender. I mean, you just pull it apart. So smoky, so good. Let's serve some up for the family.
Oh, so good.
All right, that seemed like you were overacting.
Good stuff. Homemade food. Awesome.
Yeah, this is really soft. I love it.
Thumper, what do you think? Good? Eat some more. All right, what do you think, Colton?
Brisket for the first time. Smoke. It's so good.
What do you think? Yay?
Yeah.
Yay! Brisket! So there you go, just one of many possible ways to make a brisket. Who knows, at some point this summer, I may do another video, another version. I may do some corned beef brisket. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button. If you want to be notified whenever I release a new video, hit that bell. And if you're interested in supporting Serious Keto and would like some behind-the-scenes perks, click that join button. No obligation, just take a look at what we have to offer. Thanks for watching.